Yo, what's good? It's your boy Scrubby Rocks bringing you another unboxing PS5 product video. Today we're going to do the quick unboxing of the Pulse 3D wireless headset. I bought this headset because it's supposed to have some cool features to go along while you're playing with your PlayStation 5. So I just want to cover a couple here. One, this mic does come with dual hidden microphones. Number two, it has a built-in rechargeable battery, which should last up to 12 hours. We'll see. Also, the controls are easy to access. You get a jack. It talks about the AirPads, which should feel pretty cool. And then, of course, you have the USB dongle here. Alright, let's check it out. See what comes in the box. So, if the question was asked for me, hey Eric, should you get the headset? I would probably say, if you already have a headset, I would say wait before you buy this one. Now, of course, you got the money, definitely go for it. But, until I really put a headset on and try it out and hear it and then kind of compare it, it's kind of hard to tell or recommend if you should buy this headset or not. But I'll definitely I'm going to create another update video and let you know how the performance is. So this comes out of the box. One side here you get three items. So you get the jack cable here if you want to plug it directly into the PS5. If you don't want to go wireless, you have the charging cord, which is also USB Type-C, and then of course you have the wireless adapter that should plug straight into the PS5. Other than that, this is the only thing that comes in the box. There's nothing else that comes with it. So I'll kind of go over the feel and touch, see how it is. So first off, I want to say it does have a unique design. It feels lightweight. I'm not sure. Maybe after a couple of hours of having it on, I have a better feel of if it's comfortable or not. But I'll test it out. So far, it does have these cushions here are very soft, very comfortable. All of the features here. It seems to be it's on one earpiece here on one side of the headset. So of course you have the jack, you have the power button here, the jack, the charging port, and up and down volumes, and chat. Also you have the ability to cut the chat on and off here. And I think that's the volume as well. So chat also has a volume as well, and also volume for the game. So again, all this appears to be on one side of the headset. I don't know what this button is. I think it's the on and off button right here in the back. Other than that, the only thing that's on this side here is just, I think, the mic, which is somewhat hidden. So other than that, yep, it's real simple. Real easy, short video. Again, I'll provide an update video, just kind of let you know if it's comfortable, if it's something worth getting. I paid $100 for it at Best Buy, so again, I'll try it out. So other than that, this was my unboxing for the PS5 Pulse 3D headset, and I'm gonna sync it up now and try it out. So other than that, yo, it's your boy Scrub. I'm out. Catch you in the next video. Peace.